is Rizka Valentina Putri. I'm from Management Sarebe, and now I will explain about conditional sentence. A conditional sentence is a type of sentence used to express a situation that will only happen if a certain condition is fulfilled. Think of it as a cause and effects or action consequence relationship. Basic structure. Every conditional sentence always consists of two parts or clause. First, if clause or condition is the part that contains the condition or supposition. Second, main clause or result is the part that contains the consequence or outcome if the condition is met. Punctuation note. If the if clause comes first, use comma to separate it from the main clause. But if the main clause comes first, no comma is needed. For example, if the if clause comes first, if it rains, comma, I will stay home. If it rains, I will stay home. And if the main clause comes first, I will stay home if it rains. I will stay home if it rains. In English, there are 4 types of conditional sentence based on the likelihood of the event occurring. First, type 0 or general truth, used to express scientific facts, general truths, or habits that are guaranteed to happen. The formula for if clause comes first is if plus simple present, comma, simple present. And the formula for main clause comes first is simple present plus if plus simple present. For example, if the if clause comes first is if you freeze water, it turns into ice. If you freeze water as if clause, it turns into ice as main clause. And if plus simple present is you freeze water, comma, simple present is it turns into ice. If you freeze water, it turns into ice. And if the main clause comes first is water turn into ice if you freeze it. Water turn into ice as main clause if you freeze it as if clause. Simple present is water turn into ice plus if plus simple present is you freeze it. Water turn into ice if you freeze it. Second, type 1 or possible future, used to express conditions that are highly likely to happen in the future if the condition is met now. The formula if the if clause comes first is if plus simple present, comma, will plus verb 1. And the formula for main clause comes first is will plus verb 1 plus if plus simple present. For example, if the if clause comes first is if I study hard, I will pass the exam. If I study hard as if clause, I will pass the exam as main clause. If plus simple present, I study hard, comma, I will plus verb 1 is pass the exam. If I study hard, I will pass the exam. Example for the main clause. I will pass the exam if I study hard. I will pass the exam as main clause if I study hard as if clause. I will plus verb 1 is pass the exam plus if plus simple present is I study hard. I will pass the exam if I study hard. Third, type 2 unreal present or imaginary, used to imagine something that is contrary Two present facts are highly unlikely to happen, just a dream or wishful thinking. For example, if the if clause come first is if plus simple past, comma, would plus verb 1. And if the main clause come first, would plus verb 1 plus if plus simple past. Important: in normal English, where is used for all subjects like I, you, she, he, it, they, we, instead of was. For example, if the if clause come first is if I were a billionaire, I would buy an island. If I were a billionaire as if clause, I would buy an island as main clause. If plus simple past is I were a billionaire, comma, would plus verb 1 is buy an island. If I were a billionaire, I would buy an island. An example if the main clause come first. I would buy an island if I were a billionaire. I would buy an island as main clause. If I were a billionaire as if clause. I would plus verb 1 is buy an island plus if plus simple past I were a billionaire. I would buy an island if I were a billionaire. And the last, type 3, unreal past or regret, used to imagine a different outcome or something that already happened in the past and cannot be changed. It is most commonly used to express regret. The formula if the if clause come first if plus past perfect had plus verb 3, comma, would have plus verb 3. And if the main clause come first is would have plus verb 3 plus if plus past perfect. For example, if the if clause come first, if we had played better, we would have won the match. If we had played better as if clause, we would have won the match as main clause. If plus past perfect is had played better, comma, would have plus verb 3 is won the match. If we had played better, comma, we would have won the match. An example if the main clause come first, if we would have won the match if we had played better. We would have won the match as main clause if we had played better as if clause. We would plus verb 3 is won the match plus if plus past perfect is had played better. We would have won the match if we had played better. Okay, that's all for me. If there is a mistake, please forgive me and thank you.